In this section, we will talk about the disturbance of acid-base status of body and their causes. Do you know what is acidosis and alkalosis? Well, both states are totally opposite to each other. Let's discuss them. Acidosis is the reduction in pH, increase in hydrogen ion concentration below normal range. Acidosis is produced by increase in partial pressure of carbon dioxide in the body fluids, particularly in arterial blood, and decrease in bicarbonate concentration. Now, as we have discussed that alkalosis is totally opposite to acidosis. So, alkalosis is the increase in pH, decrease in hydrogen ion concentration above the normal range. Alkalosis is produced by decrease in partial pressure of carbon dioxide in the arterial blood and increase in bicarbonate concentration. Since the partial pressure of carbon dioxide in arterial blood is controlled by lungs, the acid-base disturbances produced by the change in arterial carbon dioxide are called the respiratory disturbances. On the other hand, the disturbances in acid-base status produced by the change in bicarbonate concentration are generally called the metabolic disturbances. So the acid-base disturbances are respiratory acidosis, respiratory alkalosis, metabolic acidosis, and metabolic alkalosis. Metabolic acidosis occurs when kidneys fail to excrete metabolic acids. Metabolic alkalosis occurs when kidneys excrete large quantity of hydrogen. Let's discuss the metabolic acidosis and metabolic alkalosis in detail. Metabolic acidosis is the acid-base imbalance characterized by excess accumulation of organic acids in the body, which is caused by abnormal metabolic processes. Organic acids such as lactic acid, keto acids, and uric acid are formed by normal metabolism. The quantity of these acids increases due to abnormality in the metabolism. Let's discuss the causes of metabolic acidosis. The amount of lactic acid increases during anaerobic glycolysis. In some abnormal conditions, such as circulatory shock, the amount of keto acids increases. Because of insulin deficiency, as in the case of diabetes mellitus. In diabetes mellitus, glucose is not utilized due to lack of insulin. So, lipids are utilized for liberation of energy, resulting in production of excess acetoacetic acid and beta-hydroxybutyric acid. The amount of uric acid increases in the body due to the failure of excretion. Normally, uric acid is excreted by kidneys. But in renal diseases, the kidneys fail to excrete the uric acid. Other causes of metabolic acidosis are acid poisoning, renal tubular acidosis due to decreased hydrogen ion excretion, loss of excess bicarbonate due to diarrhea, and pancreatic, intestinal, or biliary fistula. Now, let's discuss the metabolic alkalosis. Metabolic alkalosis is the acid-base imbalance caused by loss of excess hydrogen ion, resulting in increased bicarbonate concentration. Some of the endocrine disorders and renal tubular disorders cause metabolic disorders, leading to loss of hydrogen ion. It increases bicarbonate and pH in the body, leading to metabolic alkalosis. Some of the conditions when excess hydrogen ion is lost and bicarbonate content increases, leading to metabolic alkalosis. These conditions are hypochloremic acidosis, which is increased chloride level in blood, hypoalbuminemia, which is low albumin level in blood, multiple myeloma, which is due to accumulation of an ionic proteins, hyponatremia, which is low blood sodium level, renal disease, which is loss of excess sodium or potassium through urine, hypothyroidism, toxicity due to lithium or bromide. This was all about today's video. Now the topic of kidney is almost covered. You can watch our previous videos on renal system. Stay tuned to sqadia.com for more precise and knowledge-stuffed videos.
Explore our extensive library of over 1,800 video lectures to learn about a wide range of topics. Only on sqadia.com.